I repeat, do not spend your hard-earned money on expensive AI video tools or platforms as a small content creator. Today, I'm about to reveal to you an incredible Chinese website that lets you generate high-quality, hyper-realistic AI videos absolutely free. All you have to do is watch this video till the very end, so you don't miss out on any step or hack that can save you both time and money. Also, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you're always the first to get notified when I drop new game-changing content like this. Let's dive right in. First, check the link I've dropped in the description. That's your direct entrance into this amazing AI video creation platform. Don't be alarmed if you land on a page that's fully in Chinese. It can look a bit intimidating, but the fix is super simple. If you're on Google Chrome, just go to the menu at the top right and click the Translate button. Instantly, everything switches to English, making it super easy to understand what you're doing. Alright, look over at the features. This platform is loaded. You'll see tabs for ChatGLM, a chatbot just like ChatGPT that helps you brainstorm ideas, AI search, AI drawing for image creation, and most importantly, AI video generation. And that's what we're focusing on today. But hey, always remember how versatile this platform can be for you. For instance, let's explore a bit on the AI drawing feature here. This right here is the same as an AI image generator. Here you can choose the style of your image. I will select Ghibli and let me type a house in a forest, and let's select our aspect ratio and hit generate. Look at that. The AI processes our request, and here we are with 4 variations of AI images generated. It does come with a watermark that you will need to remove separately afterwards, but indeed a useful feature that comes with ChatGLM. Okay, now let's get back on our track. To use the video generation feature, you absolutely need to sign up. Now, I get it. You may not want to use your real phone number for privacy reasons, especially with overseas sites. No stress. Here's the workaround. I use a secure temporary phone number service. You can pick a number from any country you like. Go to the site I've mentioned in the description, choose, for example, a USA number, and copy it. Head back to the sign-up page, click Login, change your country code to match your chosen number, paste in your temp phone number, and hit Get Verification Code. Sometimes you'll need to complete a simple CAPTCHA. Just slide the puzzle piece or follow the on-screen instruction. Wait for your code, then return to the temp SMS website, refresh, grab the code, and paste it into the sign-up form. Agree to the terms, click Login, and boom, you're in, safe and sound, without compromising your personal info. Now let's get down to business. Video generation. You'll see a specific tab for video creation. There are some built-in AI effects like hug, heart, smile, but I will skip them for now for our example on generating videos, but do feel free to check them out as well. Once you're inside, you have 2 main options. You can upload an image and let the AI turn it into a video, or you can enter a text prompt and have the system generate a video from scratch. Super flexible! Let's start with the image to video feature, because this is simply amazing. Click the plus sign to upload an image. You can use any image you've created or downloaded. Leave the size at original, then hit upload. Next, you get to set your video parameters. You don't need to overthink it, but feel free to play around. Faster mode is already selected, and the frame rate is set to 30 for smooth productions. For resolution, go with 1080p for crisp, clear visuals. And yes, the platform runs totally free, but you're capped to about 5 seconds per video clip unless you go premium, which is more than enough for social media shorts, reels, intros, or story content. Once your settings are in place, hit the big Generate button and sit back for a moment. The system will now transform your still image into a lively, moving video. It does take a considerable time, as many people are seemingly already using this feature on the platform. Meanwhile, we can check out some of the creations that have been done using the same number that I used, as well as the featured videos as well. My God, there are some seriously impressive stuff in the featured section. Some seem on par or even better than some paid video generation platforms. And here we have our video. My favorite part? You get subtle cinematic movements in the video output. Say you uploaded a portrait. The AI might animate the facial features, add blinking, sway the hair, or make the background subtly come alive. It makes the whole piece feel like a real moment captured on film. If you want, try the text-to-video function. Just type your scenario or scene, something like, a couple having coffee on a rainy balcony, warm light, cinematic mood, and the AI will build an original short video to match your prompt. Guys, the quality of these generated videos is seriously impressive for something that's completely free. I've seen a lot of paid video AI tools that don't even come close. Realistic skin textures, natural movements, even environmental effects like lighting and shadows make everything pop. Now heads up, the platform does put a small watermark on the corner of every free video. If you want to remove it, here's another free trick. Use a watermark remover site like vMake.ai. Just upload your video, let the AI detect and erase the logo, and download your clean new clip. The free version handles videos up to 5 seconds, just right for your AI-generated shorts. Simply upload, let it process, and save your watermark-free file. It's auto magic. Let's quickly recap so you don't miss any steps. 1. Open the Chinese AI video generator link from the description. 2. Translate the site to English using your browser. 3. Sign up for an account using a temporary phone number to keep your privacy. 4. Navigate to the video generation feature. 5. Upload an image or write a prompt to start creating your video. 6. Adjust parameters like mode, frame rate, and resolution as needed. 7. Generate your video and download it to your device. 8. If needed, remove the watermark using vMake.ai or another free online tool. That's it. You now have access to seriously cutting-edge AI video technology, all for free. Imagine how much this can up your content game, whether you're making YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, TikToks, digital ads, intros, or creative stories. No need to worry about subscription fees or credit cards. If this video was helpful to you, please hit like and subscribe and drop the word value in the comments. Also, share where you're watching from. I love hearing from creators all around the world, and I'm always in the comments chatting with you guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more hidden gems and AI tools to help you save money, save time, and create jaw-dropping content, even on a budget. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.